GPS 4-axis drone. Operation demo. Battery installation. First, open the battery compartment on the back of the remote control. Load 3 No-5 batteries and lock the back cover. Then open the battery compartment of the aircraft. After properly connecting the batteries, load the batteries into the battery compartment and cover the battery compartment. Fittings installed. Camera installation. Please pay attention to the direction of camera and card position before installation. First, insert the camera power cord and data cable into the corresponding hole position correctly. Then the camera at the direction of the card position forward push stuck. The foot frame shall be installed. After the 2 foot frames are inserted into the card position on the aircraft, the screws can be locked. After the installation of the protective frame, the 4 protective frames should be aligned with the clips on the aircraft, and then the screws can be locked. All parts of the aircraft have been assembled. APP download and installation. Scan the QR code of the corresponding system on the manual to download the APP. After scanning, click the prompt to download and install. Geomagnetic calibration. First, turn on the power switch of the aircraft, and the lights of the aircraft will flash before and after the switch. Then open the phone settings. After connecting to the Wi-Fi of the aircraft, open the APP and clip the phone on the remote control. Then turn on the switch of the remote control. When the remote control drops, the lights of the aircraft will be long and bright. Press the gyroscope calibration button, and after pressing the button, the aircraft's front and rear lights will flash until the front and rear lights are long and bright. Press the geomagnetic calibration button, and after pressing the button, the light of the aircraft flashes before and after. At this time, pick up the aircraft according to the 8-shape path to go 8. Hear a drip sound. The aircraft before and after the lights from flashing to long bright. Wait for the drone to search for satellite signals and observe the satellite signals on the APP. When the satellite signal is received, the remote control is heard to emit a drip sound. At this time, the light in front of the aircraft is long bright and the light in the back is flashing. That means the search for satellite signals was successful. Press the unlock button and push the putter to fly. Basic control demonstration. APP function operation demonstration. More wonderful APP functions are waiting for you to play. Indoor flight mode. Firstly, turn off the GPS function. Start the aircraft with the characters in the remote control and push the push rod to fly. Replace propeller. Remove the leaf cap. Turn out the screw. And remove the blade. Note the corresponding A and B blades when changing. Install new blades. Screw and cap. Wind blade replacement is completed. Battery charge. The red indicator light flashes when the battery is charged. Green indicator lights up when the battery is fully charged.